Campaign jingles and motorcades filled the streets of Metro Manila as a 45-day campaign period for local candidates kicked off today. Candidates can campaign until May 10, except on April 17 and 18 for Holy Week. Here's a report from Camille Samonte.
Some residents in Manila carried their own placards to welcome the candidates in the city. Candidates across Metro Manila went around almost simultaneously to woo voters. Re-electionist Manila Mayor Honey Lacuna and Vice Mayor Yul Servio attended a mass before officially starting their campaign. Afterwards, they conducted a house-to-house campaign around Sampaloc. Lacuna says her administration achieved significant progress without falling into debt. Meanwhile, her strongest rival and former ally, Isko Moreno, kicked off his campaign in Road 10 Tondo together with his running mate Chia Atienza and their slate. Moreno says he is ready to return and serve Manila again. He vowed to restore the city's cleanliness and security just as it was during his term as mayor.
Ang worry ng taong bayan ngayon, yung nangadugyot ulit ang Maynila. In fact, makikita nyo mamaya, nadaanan ko na naman, no? Every mo, mag-alas 9 na ng umaga, ang basura nasa kalsada pa. Talagang kino-complain nyo ng mga taga-Maynila.
Meanwhile, Atienza, a newcomer in politics, vowed to focus on livelihood and employment opportunities. She also pledged to continue the public service legacy of her father, former Manila Mayor Lito Atienza.
Given that I am the youngest daughter of former Mayor Lito Atienza, I've been trained to continue the legacy that he has built here in Manila. Ang expertise natin is livelihood and employment. And for 40 years, kahit wala pa akong naging posisyon, may resibo na ang kababaihan ng Maynila na tuloy-tuloy na sinusulong natin ang livelihood programs, livelihood training para sa mga Manilenyo.
Moreno says he and his slate will avoid engaging in negative attacks against rivals now that the campaign is in full swing.
Don't engage in mudslinging and all other unnecessary things that may hurt o makasakit ng damdamin ng kapwa o ng kalaban. So, you're going to expect from us na we will not venture into that mode of campaigning.
Another mayoral aspirant, Sam Versosa, also held a motorcade in the district of Santa Cruz. He promised to bring change to Manila's leadership should he be elected.
Kasi ilang beses silang sumubok ng mga mayor na yan eh. Ilang beses silang nangako, pero lahat napako. Sinubukan na nila sila eh. Walang nagbago. Ang nangyari, mas lalong naghirap. Mas lalong nabaon sa utang at mas lalong naging kawawa mga Manileño.
In Pasig City, re-electionist Mayor Vico Soto and Vice Mayor Dodot Jaworski launched their proclamation rally at the public mega market. Soto's father, Bossing Vic Soto, personally introduced him to the crowd.
Gusto ko po kayong i-congratulate dahil dito sa lungsod ng Pasig, sa ating minamahal na lungsod, napatunayan natin sa buong bansa na kaya nating labanan at supuin ang korupsyon. Ito na po, ang susunod na presidente ng Pilipinas. Mayor Vico Soto.
Soto is currently 35 years old, which means he still needs 5 years before reaching the minimum age requirement to run for presidency. In his speech, Soto emphasized his administration's efforts in good governance, anti-corruption, reforms, and citywide improvements. Meanwhile, his rival Sara Diskaya postponed her kickoff rally due to issues on the venue. As candidates kicked off their campaign today, the COMELEC was also busy keeping election rules followed. Oplan Baclas was again conducted today, removing campaign paraphernalia placed outside designated poster areas. Posters that went over the legal 2 by 3 feet size were also removed. Starting tomorrow, the COMELEC will be issuing notices to candidates found to be violating campaign rules.
Huwag niyong iboboto yung mga pasaway, yung mga hindi sumusunod sa patakaran. Alam naman bawal, doon pa rin naglalagay. Sapagkat isa lang ang ibig sabihin, patigasan ng ulo, tinetest yung kapangyarihan ng Commission on Elections at iba pang mga ahensya na kapartner po nito.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, we are One News.